Hello, welcome to the channel. If this is your first time, kindly hit the subscribe button down below. It will help the channel grow. In this video, I'll show you how to register on Pandax mobile exchange. Pandax is the first order book-based digital currency exchange in the Philippines that enables users to buy, sell, and trade digital assets such as Bitcoin against the Philippine Peso. It's available for both Android or iOS devices. Alright, let me install the app. Pandax mobile app is the native mobile app of the Pandax exchange that is designed to make buying and selling cryptocurrency easy, convenient, and safe using a mobile phone. With Pandax mobile app, it doesn't matter whether you are an amateur cryptocurrency enthusiast or a seasoned trader because trading crypto doesn't have to be complicated. Now it's already installed. Let me open the app. First step, sign up and verify. Register for free and verify your account to enjoy their full range of services such as cash in, cash out, and trading the world's biggest cryptocurrencies. Second, cash in. Enjoy hassle-free cash in with their various payment channels. And lastly, start trading, buy and sell Bitcoin, Ether, XRP, and other cryptocurrency using PHP easily, directly, and globally competitive market rates. Alright, let me sign up. Input your email address and your country of residence, then tap on Sign Up. Open your email and verify your account by tapping the link they have provided. After clicking the email link, it will redirect you to a page which they'll ask you to create your password. Once done, tap on Set Password. Now, you can go back to Pandax mobile app and log in using your credentials. Here's how Pandax mobile app looks like. It's nothing fancy. The user interface is simple and clean. Below, you'll see navigational tabs like Portfolio, Trade, Wallet, and Account. To proceed with the verification, go to Account and then Account Information. It will ask you to input your full name and mobile number, as well as your birth date and so on. For verification, you will need a valid ID. You can use your UMID ID, passport, and driver license. Verification may take 10 to 30 minutes. To increase your account limit, you can upgrade to premium account by submitting the following. 1 valid ID as a proof of income. 1 valid document as a proof of address. Make sure documents are under your name and should not be older than 3 months. Then submit documents to support@pandax.ph. Here's the list of documents that are supported for the upgrade. That's all for this video. If you have questions, feel free to comment down below. And please don't forget to like, smash the subscribe button, and hit the notification bell for more cryptocurrency video tutorials. See you on my next video.